Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have leader or co-leader access. Without it, nothing changes. Once done, inspect clan member roles and recent joins/leave logs to spot patterns. Make sure to clear local app cache to remove stale session data, then restart the game. You want fresh state before changing permissions. Finally, record which members were auto-kicked and when, because that timeline will guide the specific setting adjustments you make next. You now change join and role rules to stop auto-kicks. First, set join type to invite only or approval required. This prevents mass automatic churn. Then, inspect and remove any third-party bots, automation tools, or scripts linked to the clan account, because those often perform unintended kicks. Once adjusted, use a test account for a controlled join and role change to confirm stability. If the test succeeds, apply the same safe. You finish by monitoring clan stability for 24 to 48 hours. Watch for repeat auto-kicks and document timestamps. If issues persist, reset clan privacy settings, toggle to public then back to invite only, and re-invite affected members to reinitialize permissions. Make sure to keep one leader offline briefly to test whether server-side sync caused the issue. If none of these steps fix it, gather your logs and contact game support with exact times and member ID. That evidence speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.